I want some petrol. I was in there only yesterday. Want a can of fuel for the quad bike. I think when I get up here I'll just have a quick look at the radar on my phone. If it's going to rain all afternoon, which isn't what the forecast said at all, then so it's getting cool here. I've seen this before. Something's horribly wrong here, I know that. There's a good ditch in the side, but no one's going to make any grips off to it, apparently. where's it even all coming from? Is it coming right down from the high street? It's amazing how much water is running down here. Look at it there. Oh, there's just something's coming up there, like a... looks like a drain's wrong there. Well, there's too much water coming down here, coming out of a drain there, look. The drains are all completely fucked up. Last year I had quite an interesting little walk. I went down through the old track along just below this church. I think it's really the original road, and it goes down to you can go right down to the old mill down there, which is all well, but it's actually quite a long way to walk back up again. But an alternative way, there's their access road, you can probably walk along there. I've been up and down here a time or two before with the pickup. It's not difficult, but I did wonder how much it's eroded. This is a fully legal road, but there's two problems with it. Firstly, the water runs down it and it washes out regularly, and secondly, you don't want to meet out going either way. Thirdly, when it's raining, especially some of the trees alongside hang right down into the road and might scratch your car. If you've got a car like this one that doesn't really want it to get scratched. I sometimes come through with the bike, but it's not the most exciting. So I have four-wheel driving, so we aren't scrabbling it up. But it's quite rough going. They've done quite a bit of work on it, and I don't really know who it was who did the work. It looked to me like it was like sort of volunteers or something. They didn't look like they were anything to do with the council. You see the issue further up with these trees hanging into the road. That's easily resolved if you've got a saw with you. And bracken as well is bad enough. Like there. I do remember coming up here with the bike, and I sort of had to duck to get under one of these trees. Because on the bike you're actually quite high up, and in ducking I sort of off balanced myself because it was on quite a sideways slope as well, and I nearly came off because of having to duck round under the tree. But I didn't know though. Actually, they've got the drainage well under control because it's been lashing down for about an hour or more, and it's not too bad at all. You have some very substantial grips to turn the water off, like this one just coming up ahead. Like here, there's still enough water coming down to cause some problems, really. I might have a drone signal here. I was just trying to see if this is a small shower that if we just hung about for a bit would very weak at the moment. Probably just about usable. I really need my specs on for the phone. I can just about cope with it, but if it's like finer details, I can't always. Oh, now we've lost the signal. It says I've got a missed call, but I think it was someone trying to sell me bike insurance, which actually my last policy expired on Sunday evening, but I already had it renewed in Swinton. Still no signal. Oh, I've got one sitting now. Rain everywhere. Hang on, let's just see this radar image, see what it says. It's moving on quite fast. This should stop in within about 10 minutes. So the Met Office were miles out today. The earlier they showed chance of light showers this afternoon, but now it says heavy rain till 4 o'clock, and it's now 2:42. So the other thing today, I have a bit of a thing for going down to Whitby Regatta for the fair on the pier and the fireworks to some extent, because they really are actually a very good show, those fireworks.